Modern organizations face a multitude of compliance frameworks, such as SOC, ISO, PCI DSS, and HIPAA. Navigating these requirements introduces massive bottlenecks. First, compliance teams face extreme fatigue from duplicate efforts, repeatedly answering the same security questions, like how MFA is enforced across separate frameworks. Second, there is a deep knowledge silo where technical architectures are disconnected from official regulatory texts. Finally, a control readiness gap exists. Controls are written but never tested prior to the formal audit, leading to high remediation cost. Security teams spend months manually mapping to controls, resulting in stale evidence and human error. This is where Continuum GRC steps in, an automated scoping, harmonization, and internal audit simulation platform that bridges the gap between raw architecture and active compliance. So, why agents? Unlike traditional static scanning software, compliance is not a rules engine problem, it is a reasoning problem. Continuum GRC solves this by establishing a multi-agent system built on the Google Agent Development Kit framework. Instead of a single massive LLM trying to grasp multiple complex frameworks, we deploy specialized compliance agents in parallel, with an agent focused on just one framework. Furthermore, these specialist agents utilize the Model Context Protocol, or MCP, to execute tools that fetch official regulatory requirements in real time. This mitigates model hallucinations and connects stateless LLM reasoning with a reliable, structured database of rules. By dividing labor among specialized agents, the system simulates a single audit and compliance committee delivering detailed recommendations for each regulatory boundary.
Let's see the live system in action. Here is the Continuum Web Gateway interface, designed with a premium glass-morphic aesthetic. After we enter the stack and architecture description, we select our target frameworks and click Initiate AI Assessment.
Instantly, the UI establishes a server-sent event stream. The orchestrator initiates parallel execution. You can watch the progress stepper update as the specialists consult their MCP servers. Within seconds, the GRC Strategist and Audit Simulator finish processing.
The final compiled assessment report streams directly onto the screen. We receive a unified control plan. For example, Control 1 harmonizes identity and access management, mapping Cloud IAM and RBAC recommendations
to both PCI Requirement 8 and SOC2 CC 6.1. In Part 2, the IT Auditor Agent provides the step-by-step control design and effectiveness testing procedures, specifying exactly what evidence to collect. Make IAM policy exports and MFA enforcement screenshots. We can also download the complete formatted report with a single click.
Let's examine the architecture. Continuum supports two implementation modes: a local unified ADK package and a deployed serverless microservices pipeline on Google Cloud Run. In the microservices deployment, security is paramount. Specialized framework agents are locked down as private APIs on Cloud Run using the no-allow unauthenticated flag.
When a user submits an architecture description, the public orchestrator agent queries Google's metadata server to fetch OpenID Connect Protocol service-to-service identity tokens, ensuring secure, authorized downstream communication.
The orchestrator forwards raw recommendations to a GRC CISO Strategist running Gemini 2.5 Pro to deduplicate and harmonize.
Continuum demonstrates how multi-agent workflows, coupled with strict OpenID Connect Protocol service-to-service security and Model Context Protocol. Continuum can turn complex compliance processes into a secure, instant, and automated workflow. Thank you for your time and consideration.